on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are actually going to be stealing my mom's car. The reason for that is because every time she drives at night, all I hear is her go, "Those people with those LED lights, and they blind me," and blah, 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 blah. So I did a little thing. I actually had a sponsor reach out to the channel. AUTOONE, guys. I can get you guys a discount code on these. This is not the normal company that I do normally use. I normally use Auxito LED, but they reached out to me. I personally didn't need any LEDs in any of my cars. All my cars have LEDs, but we decided to get my mom some. This way, she can blind everybody just like they blind her. So we're going to surprise her with this. We're going to go take her car. She's at work right now. So I'm literally going to steal her car, put the lights in, bring the car back, and then yeah, we should be good. Should like them, I hope. These are going to be their brightest ones. They do offer these. Like I said, AUTOONE is the company. This is an LED light, low beam. So pretty much they come in boxes like this, and then this slides out, and then you have your lights in here. So these are very nice quality, I will say that. This is all metal. There's no plastic here whatsoever. All metal. Connector looks good. Bulb itself looks good. I do believe these have the adjustment, or they might not actually. Only some bulbs have the adjustment, guys. But sometimes there's a like an Allen key bolt on the side here, and you can actually spin this, but it's only certain bulb sizes that have it. But yep, nice heat sink. We'll say that. LEDs look good. The chips look good. I don't think have any issues with these. You know, I could obviously update you guys later on as my mom uses them and stuff, but should be pretty easy, straightforward install. If you guys don't know, my mom does have a 2001 Pontiac Sunfire. We've done videos with that car before where I actually needed to borrow it, and we used it. So yeah, she has that, and you guys won't believe me when I tell you this. Pontiac Sunfire actually only has, and you guys honestly are not going to believe me on this, she bought the car brand new in 2001, and the car currently has like 31,000 miles on it. Now, that is just mind-blowing. She doesn't really drive much. She works close to the house, so yeah, it's kind of to be expected, but it's just crazy. 2001, the car's like mint. I did a couple things to it just from its age. I did like a valve cover gasket and stuff, but we actually painted her valve cover purple. I bought her like a pink steering wheel cover with like rhinestones and stuff. So I've done like a little bit to the car, like just little stupid things. But this, I know she'll like this. So definitely get them in for her, you know? She'll enjoy blinding people. I know she will. She's like me. I enjoy blinding people. So yeah. All right, guys. So we're pulling up right now to steal my mom's car. First, we got to find it. I think I see it already. I think she's slick trying to hide the whip. Oh, no, there it is. Yep, we got it. All right. So we're just going to leave the truck here, steal her car while she's in work. Now, she should be off lunch already and everything, so I'm not worried about her coming out. But I'm going to actually park the truck over here because there's just more room. I'm not really trying to squeeze in between there. But yeah, so we're going to take her car back to the house. Like I said, she works close to the house, so it's not that crazy. But we're going to take her car back to the house, put the lights in, and now I'm almost positive that her car has a DRL, which is a daytime running light. So even if she does not put the headlights on her way home, which it is an overcast day, so I mean, I guess she might put the headlights on, but even if she doesn't, they should still come on. I hope. I really hope, because when she gets home later, we're going to ask her if she noticed anything different, and we'll see if she can figure it out. If she can't figure it out, obviously we're going to tell her, we're going to show her, but I'm hoping that she kind of notices something's off. I'm hoping. Hey guys, so I just got in her car. There was some lady parked next to her, and she was staring at me. I think she probably knows her. I just parked the truck. She looked at the truck. She was like, "That's not a normal car here."
And then I got in her car with the key and just started it. So, yeah, hopefully she doesn't say anything, but we shouldn't be too long. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Just like I was thinking, guys. Watch what happens when I put it in gear. See them? I'm thinking they're going to be on as DRLs. I'm pretty sure there's only one bulb up there besides the blinkers. So I think we're going to have DRL LEDs. All right, guys, install on this particular vehicle is going to be super, super easy. We're just going to take all of these clips up. This one here, that one there, that one there, that one there, and that one there. That's going to come off. You're going to be left with two 13mm bolts, which there is going to be spacers under these, so do not lose them. There's two of them. There's one over here and one over there, and this whole light lifts out, and we'll be able to access our headlight. So let's get it done and get the car back to her.
Just get the hell out of my car.
Hey guys, I will say, they're pretty bright. They definitely are pretty bright. They look good. Obviously, it's daytime, but yeah. So, all we gotta do now is bring this car back to her and see if she notices anything different. You guys can see, very much just like the OEM beam pattern, so nothing to really worry about for visibility wise. You know, sometimes the beam pattern can get a little funky and then it throws you all out. Like the lights could be bright, but when it comes down to it, they're not bright because the beam pattern is not the same. So beam pattern is the same. Okay, she does not have DRLs anymore. Well, I guess they just don't work because of the lower voltage and probably GM. I hate GM with a passion. Fuck GM. But yeah, so we're gonna go give the car back to her and see what she thinks. Guys, I was thinking, instead of returning the car the exact same way like how it was parked, right? She pulled it in. I think I'm gonna park in the same spot, but I'm gonna back it in. I wonder if she's gonna notice. She's probably gonna text me and be like, Dylan, you'll never believe this. Somebody came to the school and they just moved my car. They just turned it around. I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, that happened? Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. We're definitely gonna do that. Guys, I just pulled back in the parking lot. I don't see her, so that's a good thing. We're gonna put it exactly where we got it from, which was right here, 2 spots over from the red car, but we're gonna back it in and see if she notices. Like I said, guys, she's probably gonna text me. I'm probably gonna be getting my windows tinted when she texts me, and she's gonna be like, oh my God, you'll never believe what happened. Let's see. That should be good like that. All right. Headlights are off. Take my key that I have for her car. I have the key for the Eclipse too, so. But yeah, so I'm gonna lock this. She's never gonna know. Why would she ever know? Package is back. We will find out later when she gets home. I'm gonna wait till it gets dark so she can get like the full effect of them, but we're gonna find out later her thoughts on it, and we're also gonna find out later if she noticed that it's backed in instead of pulled in. I really hope she notices that, because she probably pulls in every single day, and I would hope that she's not oblivious to that. But yeah, back in the truck, and yeah, we'll see what happens later on today. What's up, Bill? Hey, Ma.
Hey, what?
Did you notice anything weird happened to you today?
Yeah,
What happened?
my car was backed in and it should have been in forward.
Why was
So
it backed
I
in?
noticed somebody took it and changed the headlights on me.
Oh, you turned them on?
I did.
Did you?
Yeah.
How you like them?
They're really bright,
How bright are they?
really nice.
Did you drive it at night or was it during the day?
It was at night.
So, I'm guessing when you left the school because it was cloudy, you put the headlights on.
No,
Okay.
I tried it tonight.
Oh, so you didn't notice until after.
Right.
So when I saw you, did you see me beep at you?
Yeah.
You didn't know they were changed.
No, I did notice they were changed because I shined them on the back of the what do you call it? The Mitsubishi.
Oh.
And they were really bright in the daylight too.
Okay. All right. So they're good though.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah, I wasn't sure you were gonna notice I took your car and moved it.
I noticed you moved it. You're the only one that has the extra key.
Guys, she noticed I took her car, but she likes the lights, which I kind of figured she was going to. She's gonna drive it at night, probably tomorrow night. So we'll see what she says when she gets home. But yeah, I'm happy she likes them, and I'm happy she'll be able to see now. I mean, realistically, her car's safer now for her, so that's very, very good. We got stuff to do on YouTube. Don't you worry. I want to give a big shout out to AUTOONE for sponsoring today's video. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be making this video right now, so I really appreciate you guys. I will have a discount code for you guys if you do want to buy AUTOONE LEDs. Like I said, from the looks of things, good quality, bright, you know, the whole nine. Like it, you know, they're good. They're definitely good, and they're good price too. Their prices are pretty good, pretty fair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will catch you in next week's video, Friday at 12 p.m. Peace out, stay blessed.